Good morning, students. I am Satish Suryavanshi. I have been working as maths teacher at Genbas upon Ramosi Junior College from last 20 years. I welcome you all in math learning session. And now, today we are going to start the new topic, pair of straight line. So in this pair of straight line contain first topic point combined equation of pair of lines. So first consider what is mean by combined equation of pair of lines. An equation which represents two lines is called the combined equation of those two lines. Now let us consider the two equations of line. U is equals to a1x plus b1y plus c1 and v is equals to a2x plus b2y plus c2. Equation u is 0 and v is 0 represents lines. We know that equation u plus kv is equals to 0, k belongs to R, represents a family of lines. Let us interpret the equation uv is equal to 0. So now today I start the theorem number 1. So here theorem number 1 is the equation u into v is equals to 0 represents the combined equation of line u is equals to 0 and v is equals to 0. So now first draw this figure here. So here equation of line u is equals to 0 and this is the equation of line v is equals to 0. So now consider the lines represented by u is equals to 0 and v is equals to 0. Therefore a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So these are the two equations of line u is equals to 0 and v is equal to 0. Now take this here. Let p x1 y1 be a point on the line u is equals to 0. So let point p x1 y1 be a point on the line u is equal to 0. So that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Therefore point x1 y1 satisfy the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So therefore a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 is equals to 0. So view number 1. Now to show that the point x1 y1 satisfy the equation u into v is equal to 0. Satisfy the equation u into v is equals to 0. So therefore here a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 into a2 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2 is equals to 0 into a2 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2 is equals to what? 0 from 1 here. So from 1. So a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equals to 0. This value of this a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. 0 into this is 0. So therefore point x1 y1 satisfy the equation u into v is equals to 0. So therefore this shows that every point on the line u is equals to 0 satisfy the equation u into v is equals to 0. Similarly, we can prove that every point on the line v is equals to 0 satisfy the equation u into v is equals to 0. Now let r of x dash y dash be any point which satisfy the equation uv is equals to 0. Means what? This a1 x dash plus b1 y dash plus c1 dot a2 x dash plus b2 y dash plus c2 is equals to 0. Means if product of any two quantities is 0, then either any one of them is 0. So either this is 0, so here a1 x dash plus b1 y dash plus c1 is equals to 0, or a2 x dash plus b2 y dash plus c2 is equals to 0. Therefore point x dash y dash satisfy the equation u is equals to 0 or v is equals to 0. So therefore every point on the line u is equals to 0 lies on line u is equals to 0 or v is equals to 0. So therefore the equation uv is equals to 0. Therefore equation uv is equals to 0 represents the combined equation of lines. Combined equation of lines u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. So in this way completed this theorem. So thank you. Goodbye.